Hey everybody, did we talk in this video about slice? So if I suppose I have L, it is list of elements, so 1, 45, 11, 12, 20, 23, 15, this is this number of elements. So if I want to print first element in this array, or in this list, I say L for 0, because the index starts from 0. So 0 is the first element. If I want to print the second element, I will say L for 1, for sure, 45. If I print both of them, that means I have a slice. I will start from index 0 and I will end by index 2. That means, hey, take index 0, take index 1, do not take index 2. Enter, I give you 145. If I want to take index 2 also, I will say, hey, start from index 0 and end by index 3. That's great. What if I want to print these? That means I print 11, 12, 123. Which index I have to start? I say, hey, L start from index 0, 1, 2. So start from 2. Then should be 3, 4. You want to take this one? Yes, 2, 5. So you say 5 is not included. So I give you, hey, 11, 12, 123. So the slice in this way. Which the first element? And which the last element that will not be included. I want to add the range of elements. So think about, I want to add list of elements in the L. So let me just clear it. And I suppose I have L again, and this L have number of elements. I don't know them. I just do it this way. Should be range for 10 elements. That means I will have list of 10 elements. If I click L, you'll see a C. Because I give it 10, he will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Just basically. If you want to print the element from index number 3 to index number 7, he will print you this element, basically. So what about if I want to do different range? So think about L. I want to have 100. Now again L. See how many elements I have it. This is basically how you could work with slice and how we could print specific slice from the array, which is something I think really interested for anyone who want to work with this type of data. Yes, what about if you say, okay, I want to just give 0 to all these elements. So you say, which index you want to start? I want to start from index 0. Which index you want to end? 0, 1, 2, 3. I don't want 4. So okay, I will take 4 out. What I have to give them 0. You just open a bracket, you say 0 for first one, 0 second one, 0 third one, 0 fourth one. And if I click L, you see the first 4 is being zeros. So this is basically how you could manipulate data, how you could add, how you could do slicing, and that's exactly what I want to share with you in this video. Hopefully you understand everything, and thank you for watching, and see you next.